In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcode in an Elementor button effectively. If you've been working with WordPress and Elementor, you know how versatile this page builder is. It opens up creative possibilities with its wide range of widgets and features. However, there are times when you might want to integrate specific functionalities or code snippets, known as shortcodes, directly onto your page. This is where adding a shortcode to an Elementor button becomes incredibly useful. Let's dive into the steps and get your shortcode up and running. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Elementor panel. Here, you'll find an array of widgets you can drag and drop onto your page. Look for the Shortcode widget. This widget is designed to easily integrate custom functionality by allowing you to input your shortcodes directly into it. Once you've located it, simply drag the widget from the panel onto the section of the page where you want it to appear. The Shortcode widget acts as a bridge between the shortcode functionality and your Elementor design, making this integration seamless. Now that you have the widget in place, it's time to paste your shortcode into it. Copy your desired shortcode, for instance, something along the lines of your shortcode, and neatly paste it into the input area of the widget. Shortcodes are powerful because they allow you to execute complex code with a simple command. As you paste your code, ensure there aren't any syntax errors like missing brackets, as this might cause issues with rendering the shortcode correctly on your page. Once your shortcode is embedded, you might want to style it to ensure it aligns with the overall design of your site. Elementor gives you the flexibility to apply custom CSS for precise control over the appearance of your button. If you're familiar with CSS, this is an excellent opportunity to enhance the default style of the shortcode button to match your particular theme or design aesthetics. Whether you're adjusting the font, color, or adding shadows, the custom CSS option allows you to fine-tune the details to perfection. After styling, ensure that you select the option for the shortcode widget from the list, affirming that you've correctly set up everything. It's important at this stage to double-check your configuration to avoid any hiccups when the page goes live. To finalize the process, you'll need to click the wrench icon next to Shortcode. This tool allows you to further review and enter your shortcode, ensuring that everything is correctly aligned and functional. By following these steps, you're now equipped to add a shortcode into an Elementor button efficiently. Remember, the power of Elementor lies in its flexibility and the ability to customize elements precisely to your liking. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel confident adding shortcodes to your projects in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing with Elementor.